Consult the existing usage profiles in the BIM Objects library. In the project or user library, insert customized profiles. For example, a temperature setpoint program. Define a typical week by specifying the internal temperatures for the different time bands for each day of the week. Copy temperatures defined for one day to other days of the week. Add extra weeks by specifying the internal temperatures for the different time slots. Assign the default typical weeks to the calendar. Graphically check the defined schedules on the calendar. Define typical days, defining the time slot in the same manner, then assign them to the calendar. Define thermal zones with the programmed setpoint option. Associate the programming by choosing it from the general, project or user libraries. Change the chosen usage profile by opening the Project BIM Object Library editor. In the same way, define the schedule for the domestic hot water usage. The modulation program for natural or mechanical ventilation. Manage system starting for the heating and cooling systems. By selecting a room in the properties, define the internal heat gains due to occupants, lighting or other generic heat sources. Characterize occupants in the room and define the occupation schedule. The same applies to the lighting system too.